Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are discussing about data cleaning in Python. So let's start with removing duplicate values from our dataset. So we start by importing the necessary libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and reading a CSV file into a data frame DF, and then we use the drop duplicates method to remove duplicate rows based on the director column, and we specify to keep the first occurrence of each duplicated row. Then the in place equal to true argument ensures that changes are applied directly to the original data frame. And after that, the missing value treatment, and here we check for missing values in the data frame using isNull.sum method, and which gives us count of missing values in each column, although there are no missing values in this example, and we can handle them using drop na to remove rows with missing values, as you can see. And after that, the removal of irrelevant data, and here we remove the show id column from the data frame using del statement. This eliminates irrelevant data that may not be needed for our analysis and further analysis. And after that, the manual error while typing, and we correct manual errors in the type column by replacing occurrences of movie with movie using string.replace method, and this ensures consistency in the data. And uh, and uh, and uh, we basically we in this tutorial we basically learned that how to clean our data, and that's the most important part in our pre-processing step. And yeah, thank you guys.